What's going on, boys? Back again with another chest day. Of course, starting off with the incline dumbbells. Um, Incline dumbbell is my favorite compound movement for the chest at the moment, just because it is so easy on my shoulders and the range of motion I get is crazy.
Tell me what's the point if I lose myself? Spend a couple days with nobody else, holding in my breath just to see if I can find you in my dreams. Oh, I'm getting tired of losing faith in everything I see. The beauty in the stars above have lost their hold on me. 'Cause I'm a sinner, I'm not the saint, a heart of a winner. So why do I turn away? Somewhere in the deepest blue, I will find you. 'Cause I'm a sinner, and God knows I'm born this way.
So after that, we moved on to this incline plate loaded press. I really like this one as well. Get a great stretch on this.
Looking at myself like I'm someone else. I can't feel my pulse, better get some help. God, I feel so tired, I can't keep covering up my mental health. No, I'm getting tired of losing faith in everything I see. The beauty in the stars.
After a couple sets of the incline press, we moved on to the pec deck. Probably my favorite chest movement, just because of the squeeze you get. It is just insane. So as you can see, I bring back my elbows and I tuck them, but then I bring my arms completely straight and try to squeeze my elbows together, all while keeping my shoulders back, of course.
Somewhere in the deepest blue, I will find you. 'Cause I'm a sinner, and God knows I'm born this way.
Next, we moved on to this incline press. It's sort of a not plate loaded. It's just you put the pin in, so it's pin loaded. And yeah, I like this one a lot because you can choose where you want the range of motion to start, so it's very easy on the shoulder.
And God knows I'm born this way. Tell me what's the point if I lose myself? Spend a couple days with nobody else, holding in my breath just to see if I can find you in my dreams. Oh, I'm getting tired of.
And we moved on to a similar machine, but just flat. I really like ending my chest days on this, just because of the stretch you get. It's just so crazy.
Have lost their hold on me. 'Cause I'm a sinner, I'm not the saint, a heart of a winner. So why do I turn away? Somewhere in
And that was the whole workout. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Peace.